Hey guys, it's Sophie Jaffe, founder of Philosophie Superfoods, and today I'm making one of my favorite matcha recipes. This is cleanse friendly, just in case you are on the Philosophie cleanse. Matcha is a beautiful caffeine to bring into your diet in general, but also on a cleanse. It is really cleansing, good for mental clarity, also very meditative. A lot of monks use it to focus for hours in meditation while still giving you a little lift in energy. Instead of going for another cup of coffee, this is a great alternative. You wanna always make sure you get ceremonial grade matcha. I'm using Matcha Full, my friends at Matcha Full. This one's delicious. This really nice deep green color is what you want. It's pretty vibrant actually. So all you need is hot water. I'm grabbing mine from this hot water kettle. I'm gonna put it right into my Vitamix. You wanna do about 4 ounces of hot water and then 2 ounces of a creamer, your favorite dairy-free creamer. So this is my favorite. It's unsweetened Califia Farms coconut cream and almond milk. Really good. You could use you could even use coconut milk, canned organic coconut milk. 2 ounces of creamer. I'm gonna be doing a little bit more because I'm making it for a couple people. The hot water is just gonna make it really, really nice and warm and a nice latte. You could also do this iced if you wanted to and just do almond milk instead. So I'm gonna do about a teaspoon of the ceremonial grade matcha. I'll do a tiny bit more for our crew here. I'm going to use our coconut butter. Coconut butter is a really creamy, delicious, organic superfood. So just coconut butter on its own is incredible for your skin, for your organs, protects your heart. I eat it by the spoonful, to be completely honest, but you could just blend it into things. So all coconut oil is solid at room temperature, coconut butter included, because it's coconut oil and coconut butter in one. So make sure that you either melt it if you're trying to spread it, or just dig in there and know that this is the way it's supposed to be. So you wanna do about a tablespoon or 2 for 1 serving. That will help make it really creamy and delicious and also help you absorb all the superfoods from the Green Dream and the honey that you're gonna add and the matcha. We're going to add our Dream Superfood Blend, which gives you 10 grams of protein. Normally with matcha, you just have a matcha and it's kind of like a caffeine up, and then there's always gonna be a crash. So adding protein and good healthy fats helps stabilize your blood sugar levels and helps you absorb the caffeine differently, slower, and no crash. So I'm gonna just say a teaspoon for a serving. Matcha is not sweet. Matcha has a bitterness to it. So if you don't add sweetener, I would do some stevia. I prefer honey. Just so you know, on our website, you can buy each of these items individually, or you can buy them together as the Green Dream bundle and save. About a tablespoon for our serving. And that's it. You're gonna blend, and then you're gonna have a matcha latte, and it's gonna be delish. Oh, it's so good. Cheers.